Computer, please welcome everyone.
Welcome to Bytes of Code.
In this playlist tutorial, we'll be making our own personal assistant. We'll hook into the computer microphone and do things like talk to OpenAI through our API key. GPT, give me a funny catchphrase.
Life's a joke and I'm the punchline.
We'll like songs on Spotify. We'll open programs in the computer, and we can even shut down the computer. In this tutorial, we'll be learning a little bit about speech recognition. We'll do things like catch exceptions, we'll pass, break, continue. We'll learn a little bit about callback functions, how to run external Python scripts, and even some process commands and operating system commands. So with that said, let's just go ahead and do a little demo. Open Notepad.
Opening Notepad.
Play music. Like this song.
Liking song.
Pause music. Search Google for news today.
Searching Google for news today.
GPT, what are the popular songs to listen to?
Popular songs to listen to vary depending on personal taste, but some of the most popular songs currently include.
In the next video, we'll be starting this personal assistant by using the microphone, and we'll just be able to listen to whatever we're saying using Google's speech recognition in order to actually perform some commands in our if statement. I ended up really liking this personal assistant. I hope you guys enjoyed this also, and thank you for watching so much. Please subscribe to follow this playlist, and I hope to see you guys at the next video.